Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to get from this to this in just a few simple steps. And I mean it, just a few simple steps. This tabletop's already assembled. You basically just put the legs on. So the first thing we're going to do is unpack this, found the owner's manual, get rid of the box top, unpack the other boxes, and these are the legs. And that's basically all we got to do is put those together, attach them to the tabletop. In this other box, we've got our accessories. We've got the strikers, leg levelers, hardware, just one bag is all we need, the pucks, a plug, and it includes, of course, the tools to put it together. So let's get started. The first thing we do is put the first of two legs together. It has pre-drill holes. This is what it looks like once the leg's done. And all we got to do is put the leg levelers on. No special tool required for these leg levelers. Just righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And of course, you're going to level it once it's set up. So you don't need to mess with this other than just attach it at this point. And we're going to set this leg just on the area where it's going to go. Put the other one on and check this out. There's 3 holes. They're pre-drilled. It includes the bolts. And all we need to do is put those bolts in those 3 holes there. It has washers included, of course. And it includes this Allen wrench. So finger tighten and then tighten it with that Allen wrench nice and good. Do that to all 4 corners and we are in business. Next thing we do is set it right side up. By the way, we assembled this with it still inside the box to protect the tabletop. 2 people needed on that step, obviously. We clean up the trash, plug it in, and we are playing in just a few short minutes. This is the Midtown II 6-foot air hockey table by Hathaway. Has a 66-inch playing surface, beautiful rich cherry wood tone, scratch-resistant melamine cabinet, has almost 2,000 air holes, and is powered with an 110-volt UL-approved blower motor. As you can see, it has an LED scorer with a built-in timer, so you can have multiple game setting options. It has the goal boxes with a built-in automatic puck return system and this beautiful printed starburst design on top. Play classic air hockey or switch between games within seconds for long-lasting fun that the whole family can enjoy. And this table is 72 inches long, 36 inches wide, and 31 inches high. Air hockey is a fast-paced game. It's so much fun to play. The puck just glides on that cushion of air, no waiting around, non-stop action. Anyone can play. You don't have to be a pro or super athletic. Kids, parents, grandparents, everybody gets the hang of it pretty quickly, and that makes for a perfect game for parties, game nights, or family gatherings. And the best part is that it brings out the fun competition. You're laughing, cheering, trying crazy moves. It's just pure simple fun. No screens, no complicated rules, just a good time. So if you're looking for something easy and exciting to do with your crew, definitely give air hockey a shot. It's one of those games you never really get tired of. And the last thing I want to point out is that an air hockey table is a great addition to any game room or man cave, bonus room, basement, you name it. And this one in particular looks really slick. All right, I'm off for another game. Thanks for watching.